What's going on, guys? Hope you're well and good to see you all again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an Anchor Trolly system onto your stand-up paddleboard or kayak in less than 5 minutes, no drills required. Let's get right into it. Okay, for this install, what you need is 2 carabiners, 2 zip ties, 2 stainless steel pulleys, paracord double the length of your kayak or paddleboard, and a plastic ring or a stainless steel ring. You'll be able to purchase all these items from your local hardware store, or if it's easier, you can go to your local Stackle store and then buy an Anchor Trolly system and use what's required. Now, if you guys can, please give this video a thumbs up to help spread the video within YouTube. That'll be much appreciated. Now let's check out the install. As you can see, there's 2 handles at each end of the paddleboard. It'll be same for the kayak as well. In this step, we tie the zip ties to each end of the handles. In this step, we tie the carabiners and the pulleys to each end of the zip ties, and then we start running the paracord, as you can see, from the top of the pulley, and again we string it through the top of the back end of the pulley. It's a bit difficult trying to do it with one hand, but here we go. And then we move on to the next step. In this step, we finish things off by tying each end of the paracord to the circle and cutting any excess paracord off, as well as you want this set up nice and snug against the board or the kayak. Now keep watching the video, guys. I've got some fishing action coming up. Who doesn't like some fishing action on a fishing channel? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, to see more videos like this. I really appreciate your support. There you go, guys. Nice and easy setup. Took less than 5 minutes to install and no drills required. So if you guys got any questions, make sure to leave some comments below and I'll respond. Let's check out some fishing action now. Whoa! Yes, good fish, pulling some drag. Ah, little flatty. Alright, I'm going to try and let this one go without boarding it. Oh, I could board it if I want. Alright, bud, catch ya. Off my board. Boom, there she goes. Now, if you guys can guess what happens next, pause the video and leave a comment below. I bet you won't guess what happens next. Oh, here we go. Where did they come from? Alright, so if you guys were on that board, will you pull up to that pontoon? Let me know what you think in the comment section. There are all the water and decided to come to that pontoon. Boys. Here was a real shame. I didn't have my camera on because I actually called it before casting and catching this fish. There you go. Another flatty and the little baiwa.